important to know. One more thing, what if I just like want to clear the command window? I can simply press CLC, and if I want to show this to you guys, CLC 3, 2, 1, enter, and it clears the command window. So what's the command, what's the CLC abbreviated from? It's clear command window. So I just, if I want to clear command window, CLC is very like important function to clear your code if you want to like try one more time or like editing or do something new. Okay, now like I will just write also like some figures. So this figure 1, it show without anything. Figure 2, figure 3. Let's imagine if we have like a very long coding and I don't want to like go close all of these tabs. Okay, one more tab that is also very important, I can just try close all, and then you guys realize that I do have 3 figures, but after pressing 3 alls, you guys can watch this for me please. 3, 2, 1, here we go, just now, just one tab. Okay, this is very important along the way also to know. And close all, why all become pink? So the color pink, it came because all now it's a variable. So when anything become a variable, it will take this color pink. Okay, what about the workspace? What if I want to clear everything in the workspace? I would just try clear all, enter, here we go, it's all clear. So close all to close any figures I do have when I'm just like preparing for a plots or tables or any just any figure I can code on, and clear all in order to clear all my workspace. And let's start from scratch one more time. CLC, enter, here we go.